我出生的时候，上帝问我：你想要30厘米的大鸡鸡，还是超强的记忆力？那你选择了什么？我忘了。Today, let's talk about the in Chinese, okay? There are two main ways to use the. The first way here is to describe a noun. 时候, that means moment. The moment when I was born. 我出生的时候. The big penis that is 30 centimeters long. 30厘米的大鸡鸡. And the memory that is super powerful. 超强的记忆力. Here's some more examples. The man with whiskers. 有胡须的男人. Pretty puppy. 漂亮的小狗. And a secret we can't say. 不能说的秘密. Okay? In one of our jokes, here, successful man, 成功的男人 is also the first way to use the here. Yet, there is the second way to use the. If we put it behind a person, we make it a possessive pronoun. Here, this is the second way. For example, someone's back. We can say someone 的背后. For example, my back. 我的背后. 小明's back. 小明的背后. And mom's back. 妈妈的背后. Thank you.